Yes, this is the place, all right. Next week, this is where you'll see the new 1958 Ford, the car that was proved and approved around the world. What's it going to be like? How will it look? How will it drive? Well, I can say this. There's nothing newer in the world than the 58 Ford. First, you'll find there's nothing newer in the world of style. From tail lights to headlights, from roof to road, there's an exciting new look awaiting you in the 58 Ford. And performance, exciting news there, too. Ford's new Interceptor V8 engines will have precision fuel induction up to 300 horsepower and new high-torque performance. And that's just the beginning. This year, in the 58 Ford, you'll be riding on air, literally riding on air, with Ford's revolutionary new Ford Air suspension. Ford will offer the finest, most versatile automatic drive, too. The completely new Cruise-o-matic drive with overdrive economy. And there'll be new steering ease with every 58 Ford. It'll be as easy as this with Ford's new Magic Circle steering. There's much more, of course, that I'm not allowed to tell you. But you'll find the 58 Ford will offer hundreds of fine car features and offer them at Ford's traditional low prices. So see it, drive it. At your Ford dealers next week, you'll see why there's nothing newer in the world than the 1958 Ford.